What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. As you can see, I have it running. Sounds wonderful. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. Let's start. First off, we got some gorgeous paint. I love this color. Kind of like a royal blue metallic. Shines really nice. Really slick. Under the hood, I got it running right now. .454 aluminum heads, Pro Comp aluminum intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, HEI ignition, all of the goodies, aluminum radiator. This thing is ready to go. Upgraded disc brakes in the front. I'm gonna let you hear this idle because this thing sounds beautiful. Nice cam in there. Sounds like a muscle car is supposed to sound, that's for sure. Beautiful torque thrust wheels, just match it. Nice silver metallic stripes. Let me get in the car and let's dive deep into this thing. See, all your gauges work. Everything works. Heat. The car does not have a radio at this moment. That's something somebody could add. Beautiful 4-speed action. Love it. Just a blast to drive. Shifts nice. Goes in and out of gears. Nice. Center console. Glove box. Actually, it does have a radio. You got the Pioneer Bluetooth. So you have no radio in the dash, but you got something in the glove box. And the glove box, just a little tricky with the lock. Just got to twist it. Door panels, everything SS. SS on the steering wheel. I believe this would be like an SS center console, old school Stewart Warner gauges, which are pretty sought after nowadays. You got the tack in the dash, your heater controls. The dash is in pretty good shape. One little flaw up there. Other than that, pretty nice. Your seats are in great shape. Your headliner, back seat. You got 2 speakers at the back there. Doors open and close really nicely. Line up nice. There's that silver metallic I was telling you about on those stripes. Just a perfect. I love that on there. Passenger side. Locks work. Just really nice. You could feel the seat. The body on this car is really straight. As you can see, you got the SS 454 badges. 71. Now, the difference between 71 and 72, I'm going to tell you guys here. So, to my knowledge, and I'm not a Chevelle expert by any means, but I've been around my fair share of Chevelles. The grille is a tad different on a 71 than it is on a 72, and obviously the 70s have the quad headlights, the 4 headlight, dual headlights on each side. The 71 has somewhat different grille than a 72 to my knowledge, and the marker lights here on the side are like separated. It's like 2 marker lights when the 72 would be solid. A solid, most of the time, full amber light. Like, let's see here. I think this car over here is a 72. Yep, here's your demonstration. This car is a 72. The grille is a little bit different. So for those wondering what a 72 and a 71, the difference, there you know. And also the taillights, I've been told, like some of the taillights, the reverse light would start in here on 71 or some years. It's weird. Early 72, it was all weird. It all goes by year. Just some Chevelle nerd facts for you. But definitely the grille and the marker lights are something that differentiate the 71 and the 72. And of course the 70, like I said, completely different front end. Same car, essentially, same frame, same body, just a different front end. You got the dual headlights on each side. But I've always liked 71 and 72 better. Don't shoot the messenger, you know. But let's go ahead and close this hood. Give me one moment, guys. So, hood closes, lines up nice. And like I said, you can see the body is really straight, the doors, everything. And the original color on this car was Sandlewood. That's what the original color was on this car. Which was, if you know what it is, you know what it is. Kind of a beige-ish tan, brown. Really nice. Like I said, all your chrome's in great shape. Everything's in nice shape. Like all that. All your trim, all how it should be. Bezel's really nice. Got some handprints on there, but very clean, not pitted, which is a plus. So, if you are interested in this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. We have around 200 cars in stock. This is our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We have special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. So make sure you contact us. Message the phone number 847-848-1850, your zip code, and they will give you a shipping quote enclosed directly to your door. You don't have to worry about a thing. So give us a call, stop on by. I'm hoping to see you guys here checking out one of our beautiful classic cars. Like I said, we don't only have Chevelles. We have a Ford Torino right there. We have another Chevelle over there, Cutlass, Nova, 66 Chevelle, Celine Mustangs, Nova, an old truck, everything you need. We have your dream car, that's for sure. So give us a call, stop on by. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Mr. Jenkins out. Bye-bye.